Most large enterprises have multiple reporting tools or business-driven process area coverage for reports. But this creates issues like multiple versions of similar reports and huge license costs. Not having clear visibility of reports inventory makes the reporting landscape unorganized and increases operational challenges manifold. A large Australian bank encountered similar challenges during its data migration project. As a result, they were facing huge anticipated migration time and cost, along with very high unused license and maintenance costs. What they needed to overcome these challenges were a clear understanding of the reporting landscape, the presence of similar reports, user license usage trend, reports aging and consumption recency and frequency, 360-degree view of the reporting platform. This was when Tech Mahindra came on board with InfoWise, a metadata-driven report rationalization solution, a vertical agnostic IP. InfoWise comes with a variety of microservices to connect various reporting ecosystems for metadata-driven audit reports and insights, along with report recommendation services for migration. As a result, the bank was able to analyze reports usage, identify unused and similar reports, optimize license cost by identifying inactive user licenses, document source systems mapping details, prioritize report migration based on technical strategy. Finally, they were able to visualize a 360-degree view of clean and organized reporting landscape. InfoWise Rationalization Service analyzed and concluded that over 40% of the reports were either aged similar, and nearly 70% of their users had not used the licenses in the last 6 months. This helped to reduce the operational and maintenance costs by more than 20% and reduced report migration time and costs by around 30%. A quick glimpse of our findings. Best part? This winning formula is repeatable. No matter the industry you belong to, the size of your company, and the technology used, we can help you clean your reporting landscape and prepare you for your modernization journey.